In this tutorial, we'll learn how to set user locale in Oracle Analytics Cloud to control how numbers are formatted, including thousands and decimal separators. Number formatting varies by region. Some regions use commas for thousands and periods for decimals, while others reverse this. If formatting doesn't match my audience's expectations, values can be misinterpreted. In this scenario, I've created a dashboard to share with stakeholders in Italy, and I want the number formatting to automatically match their regional standards. In Oracle Analytics Cloud, number formatting is controlled by the user locale setting, which defines how numeric values display across workbooks. To begin, I'll select my user avatar in the top right corner, which is accessible from anywhere in Oracle Analytics Cloud. Then I'll select Profile. In the My Profile dialog, I'll locate the Locale setting. By default, it's set to Auto. I'll change this to Italy, so the formatting aligns with my stakeholder's region. After selecting my locale, I'll choose Save to apply the change. A message confirms that the update will take effect the next time I sign in. I'll acknowledge this message, then close the dialog. I'll sign out by selecting the user avatar again and choosing Sign Out. After that, I'll sign back into Oracle Analytics Cloud. Now I'll reopen my workbook to verify the changes. I can see the number formatting reflects Italy's standards, using periods for thousands and commas for decimals. This formatting is applied automatically across the workbook, ensuring consistency without requiring manual updates. Now that I've set the locale, my dashboards automatically display number formats that align with regional standards, making the data easier to interpret. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on using Oracle Analytics Cloud in the links below.